After much speculation, rumors, and leaks, the iPhone 13 series has finally been made public. What we'll look at here is something that all of those new and beautiful Apple devices have in common, which is the contents of their packaging. But before I tell you what's inside and what's not inside the box, quickly subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future updates. Let's focus of what's not in the iPhone 13 box first. Because number one thing which we all expected, there is no power adapter comes with iPhone 13 lineup. There is no headphone. There is no headphone jack adapter. And there is no case of the iPhone 13 inside the box either. And the items which are in the iPhone 13 box are an iPhone, obviously, a USB Type-C to Lightning cable, useless documentation, and a useless Apple sticker. Indeed, continuing its tradition of eliminating built-in supplies, Apple has decided to no longer include a charger with iPhones, believing that buyers will already have an older charger. But, on the other hand, will gladly sell users a new one separately. Apple has really laudable reasons for not adding a charger. Firstly, there's a chance of making more money by selling chargers separately. Also, the less accessories mean the lower package weight, which leads to lower shipment cost. But Apple argues that excluding chargers lowered the company's carbon footprint. Because there is no charger, the iPhone 13 retail package is smaller, allowing for more boxes to be shipped at once. Furthermore, Apple claims that millions of customers reusing their old chargers helps cut carbon emissions and reduces the mining and usage of precious materials because no new chargers need to be manufactured and sent every year. So that is the Apple explanation for basically not including anything inside the box. Let us know your thoughts about this in the comments section. I will see you again very soon. Until then, take care.